Hello YouTube. This is how to fix the problem when you're playing games and you press a key and you try moving your mouse around and it doesn't move, like when you're playing the game and pressing W to go forwards and you're moving your mouse to look around and it just won't let you look around. And this is how you fix it. You want to go to search, which is not coming up. Just start one and go to control panel. Go to mouse. Usually you'll reverse and you'll be looking through like, oh, how do I fix this and all. You go to this like, oh, this is nothing, this. And you look back. But you go into this device settings, mouse properties. You go and see there, that's your mouse, your touchpad, whatever. Go to settings. And here you can change anything. You can change scrolling, well, like how fast it is, and do you want it to be 2-finger scrolling? I'm gonna get rid of it. Pinch zoom, so you can zoom in. And you got when you go like that with your fingers, like that. But go to palm check. Is this thing? Sometimes it'll be like that. I don't know. Press some arrows until you find palm check it enhanced, or just normal palm check, and it'll be like that. Then you go to settings. See this? Usually it'll be about here. Watch. I'll apply it. I'll press the key. Yep. Not moving my mouse. So yeah. You want to turn it all the way down, all the way to the bottom, and close. Apply. Okay. And that's how you do it. Please subscribe to me. I used to make videos. Well, I only made about 3. I deleted them. I'm just making this selfies out. That's my channel. I do mods on GTA, Grand Theft Auto, normal GTA, Bad Good, Lost and Damned, and Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, but only Spec Ops. So thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe, please. It really makes a lot.